How to check if one of the following items is in a list. I'm trying to find a short way to see if any of the following items is in a list, but my first attempt does not work. Besides writing a function to accomplish this, is there any short way to check if one of multiple items is in a list?
Both empty lists and empty sets are false, so you can use the value directly as a truth value.
I was thinking of this slight variation on Tobias' solution.
Maybe a bit more lazy.
Think about what the code actually says. That should probably explain it. Smile Python apparently implements lazy OR, which should come as no surprise. It performs it something like this. In the first example, x equals 1 and y equals 2. In the second example, it's vice versa. That's why it returns different values depending on the order of them.
Code Golf version. Consider using a set if it makes sense to do so. I find this more readable than a list comprehension.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.